Aubrey, what is that? Get this thing off of me.
Dad, I'm a bird!
Ah!
I'm an angry bird!
Ah! Aubrey.
I'm not looking at you guys. I'm so mad at you.
Aubrey, it looks gorgeous. It looks so, it's so
She's
beautiful.
so mad.
Get off my head. Get it off my head. Ah!
Okay, let's put it on Daddy. Here,
Oh.
give me the camera. Let me film you and Daddy. Put it on your head. Put it on your head. Let's see Daddy in the bird hat. I bet it will be funny.
Fit on Daddy's head.
I know, that's why Tyler doesn't have it, because it's too small for his head.
Hi! Yeah, see, that's funny. Oh, God.
Get in the camera picture. Get closer to her.
Come here. Hi. Ha. Whoa. I don't know about that.
You guys put me in Korean pajamas, and then you put this silly bird hat on me.
Mm-hmm. Why is the tab on the outside?
It's Korean.
Oh. That makes sense. Yeah. What you looking for? No parents. You wanna fly? Wow! Super baby. Yeah. Oh, bless you. Super baby. Bless you.